Welcome back, Marco here. In this video, I'm gonna spill the beans on Kishu Inu coin and tell you everything you need to know even if you're already holding the coin in your wallet. Kishu Inu has just launched its very own Instagram game. Yes, this is available on Instagram. What I wanted to say is though, there are not many coins who have been able to actually launch something so quickly and also on Instagram, which is probably not very easy to obtain because obviously that's owned by Facebook. It will have to go through a lot of checks and things like that. So that's the kind of stuff that really is insane for this team. And in just 1 second, I'm gonna tell you the events that will send the price of Kishu Inu through the roof. Yes, that's what this video will be mostly about. But first, let me bring you up to speed on the tokenomics of Kishu Inu. Now, the most important thing of Kishu Inu is actually the usage reward, which is 2%, which is incredibly high. So every time there is a transaction, you get 2% as thank you reward, which is very big and very interesting. You know, other dog coins do not do that. So that's more of a point. There is something very peculiar to this specific coin, which is very interesting, guys. And as I promised you, let's have a look at one of the many catalysts that will actually send the price of Kishu Inu through the roof. Let's have a look at it right now. Now, this is Kishu Inu and we're gonna have a look at the markets. Yes, because among the markets, so the exchanges where you can actually buy Kishu Inu, there is no Binance. I can see there are many exchanges, which is quite good, meaning that the liquidity is actually spread across a number of platforms and many people can actually access it. I can see exchanges that are based in India, which is very good. They are very into cryptocurrencies over there. But the catalyst that I want to tell you is that I don't see Binance, I don't see COINBASE. These are the exchanges that move a lot of the volume, and if Kishu Inu will be able to get listed on one of those, guys, that will really send the price up. And I know that because I make videos on the hottest cryptocurrencies that have come on the market. That includes Shiba Coin and many other coins, so that's the kind of stuff on this channel. Now, in just 1 second, I'm gonna give you another catalyst that will actually be very important for Kishu Inu. But now, let's have a look at the number of holders, which is another very good reason if you are looking at, for example, buying it. I'm not saying you should, but let's have a look at the number of holders. Is actually just under 200,000. That's an awful lot, guys. That puts it just smaller than, for example, Baby Shiba, which is another token that I reviewed a few days ago. If you want to go have a look at that video, but the point being, the holders are actually going up quite a lot, and this is actually a quite big number. Now, as I promised you, let's have a look at another catalyst that will really be incredibly important, and that I see Kishu Inu being very strong on. Now, the catalyst is that Shiba Inu is actually being advertised by Ronaldinho. This is unbelievable to me. I know that football here in the UK and soccer in the US is very big these days because obviously there are the Europeans going on, but to have Ronaldinho helping and supporting Kishu Inu, that is insane. And what I'm telling you is that if they can get another promoter like Ronaldinho, that would be such a massive catalyst for Kishu Inu, and that might send the price up, maybe back to all-time high. And guess what? This is not even the last catalyst that will send the price up. There is even more, and I'm gonna tell you that in 1 second. Now, another good thing of Kishu Inu is that they have achieved quite a lot. This project team is not bad at all. Let's have a look at what they have achieved so far. Now, this is their exchange, which is pretty basic to be honest, but it's on their website. It's a decentralized exchange, and you can actually buy Kishu Inu with Ethereum, with many other coins, but it's everything very easy and very simple, and you can do everything on the Kishu Inu website. That's actually an incredible achievement, and not many tokens can actually do that so quickly. If you think that this token is even younger than Shiba Inu coin, then SHIB, basically that's the other token that I'm always comparing it to. But now let's have a look at another catalyst. That this one, guys, this one is very important, and this one is that Kishu Inu is now being used to buy on eBay, Amazon and Walmart, and that is through shopping.io, which is an app that actually allows you to use some cryptocurrencies. One of them is Kishu Inu, but also Shiba Inu is there now. So this is an app that is very much cryptocurrency friendly and allows you to buy on these platforms. Amazon on its own is massive. They have a massive customer base. I buy from Amazon almost constantly. Basically, I buy almost everything. eBay is actually struggling quite a bit, but what I really wanted you to understand, the more holders we have, the higher the chance that that they will use Kishu Inu to buy on these platforms, and that will send the price up, guys. That's the only potential outcome of this kind of things. So if we get another addition to another app that can actually interact with, for example, eBay, Amazon, but also PayPal and Netflix and so on, this is the kind of things that we absolutely need to know for Kishu Inu, and I'm sure that they are working on it as we speak. That's definitely happening, so that's something to look forward to, and if that happens, I'll probably make a video update on Kishu Inu, so stick around. So now let's have a look at another catalyst that is actually incredibly important. This one actually is a mix of increasing the holders and on top of that to actually have an actual application in real life. So that's something that you can actually go and see for yourself by just being outside. No more stuff on the internet, which is good, right? But we also have to be present in real life so that people just don't go and think that Kishu Inu is just something of the internet. No, you can actually find a purpose in real life, and this is it. Kishu Inu is being advertised on banners and also on taxi cars, like in this case, for example, Kishu is here on this taxi, and also as you can see, Kishu is on this massive billboard, which is incredible. Look how big it is, and it's in Los Angeles. That's something that just Shiba Inu has managed to do. It's incredible how quickly these people are, this project team are actually working. It's insane if you ask me, and they're also much smaller than Shiba Inu coin. Now later in the video I'm gonna give you even more catalysts that are gonna be incredibly important for Kishu Inu, but I've mentioned Shiba Inu coin so many times in this video that I think we need to have a fair comparison in this very moment so that you understand which one is best for you. And this is Shiba Swap that literally was just launched yesterday, and yes, you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies here, you can stake your cryptocurrencies, you can do so many things on this decentralized exchange. In comparison, Kishu Inu has got only this very basic decentralized exchange, which is not bad, guys. I'm saying that it's very good, but could actually be made so much better, and that's what they went for Shiba Inu. Now please don't get me wrong, I'm saying that Kishu Inu is actually at an earlier stage compared to Shiba Inu, which could be incredibly good if you are a holder and if you're thinking that you can develop even further. And in fact, another very big difference is that, for example, Shiba Inu is already on Binance, Huobi Global, and possibly being listed on COINBASE very soon. So that's another thing, again, that goes to support what I just said, that Shiba Inu is more of an established name, whereas Kishu Inu is more of a niche kind of token that could potentially pop even more from where we are now, because they are so much smaller than Shiba Inu. And I would know that because I make video updates on the hottest cryptocurrencies that are in the market right now, and also about news about these cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, all of this. And as I promised you, let's have a look at another catalyst, another two catalysts that will really change everything for Kishu Inu and will really push the price up. So let's have a look at it right now. And this is straight from the Kishu Inu website. So first of all, another catalyst will be the NFT marketplace, which is something that some other tokens have already implemented, and again, it will be very big to have implemented. I think they are actually about to drop it right now. You have to obviously watch this space if you are interested in this kind of news. And another very big one will be the merchandise store, which is a kind of an NFT marketplace but more towards actual physical goods. And if you enjoyed this video, you will love this video that is on the screen right now, because that's what YouTube thinks. So click on the video and I'll see you there. The video won't start on its own. Click on the video.